In this video, we will be taking a look at the digital instrument cluster and the center stack of the Subaru BRZ. This showroom walkthrough is designed to provide information for prospective customers, as well as customers taking delivery of their new vehicle. While all the content of this video may not be specific to your trim, we provide an overview of some general specifications and features to help you get acquainted with the digital instrument cluster and center stack of the Subaru BRZ. The BRZ has an all-new driver-centric cockpit and a 7-inch digital gauge cluster is standard on all models. The BRZ now features a configurable, fully digital instrument cluster with a central tachometer and integrated G-force meter, plus adaptive sport and track modes. So all your important vehicle performance information is available at a glance. It's important to note that Sport mode is available only on models with the automatic transmission. The fully digital gauge display offers 3 mode-dependent themes in BRZ models with the automatic transmission, while manually shifted cars have 2 modes. The tachometer automatically shifts to a linear RPM readout, and a larger shift light with a color display that allows for a quick read so the driver can focus on lap times. To the left of the tachometer is a programmable meter that can change to show amps, water temperature, or a G meter, once again emphasizing the BRZ's performance capability. A shift indicator is also standard on all BRZ models, allowing drivers to make precision shifts naturally. This display can also show turn-by-turn directions from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, further enhancing convenience. The panel over the driver's left knee has a wheel that controls the brightness of the instrument cluster, as well as a trunk release button. Finally, in BRZ models with the automatic transmission, EyeSight settings along with other important vehicle information are now fully integrated into the digital instrument cluster. This system also allows you to customize what other vehicle information you see, such as fuel consumption, trip meter, oil temperature, and more. The Subaru BRZ comes standard with a steering wheel that has a comfortable grip for long drives, and a full spread of controls for the cruise control system, the infotainment system, and the gauge cluster, making all commonly accessed functions readily available and easily adjustable. Also on BRZ models with the automatic transmission, paddle shifters are standard. A manual emergency brake is standard on all models. Thank you for considering or choosing Subaru. We hope this information is helpful and that you and your family stay healthy and safe.